Okay, this is where we left off last stream. Don't know if I should really wait for anyone, but well, let's take a look at the setting for now. Okay, I can recompile with Control T, even though I feel like Control R might be better. Oh, I can use Control Enter just like how I open my terminal. Okay, hello Doc. And I can skip dialogue with Q. Interesting. Okay. Just call me Paul if you are feeling a little bit, it's kind of weird with the calling if you feel like it. Also, okay, let's continue where we left off. Okay, there is nothing here. Something, 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 something makes atom. Oh, here we go. The proton, electron, and something. I don't know what is stuck because I didn't really say anything, honestly. Statement. Okay, 60, 61, and 62. I think it is gonna be proton, electron, and neutron, like. Pal. Just call me Pal. You don't really need to add the rest of the back. Just to make it, simpler. Okay, I haven't... Okay, we gonna have something to define now. The 60, 61, and 62. 60 and 62 make atom 1. Okay, that means 60 and either 60 is proton or 62 is proton. And then one of them is also electron. And then we have... What? Why is this one have a neutron? So you probably confused what is proton, neutron, and electron. We are finally reaching the chemistry part last stream at the end. So proton is the positively charged part of the atom. -1 Dalton? Interesting. They define that as -1 Dalton. And then 1, 2, 1 makes atom 1. I think 61 I can... What is 7? 61 I think it's neutron. I can certainly say that. But for 60 and 62... What is that? Okay, I also haven't checked the hypothesis from the guys. Wait, Bautista give this one instead of the one way. I think it is a good one, because a reaction could be a reversible one. But I'm not using it. Like, no. Chemical reaction again, that is terrible. Yeah, the 61 is. But now I kind of need to know which one is proton and which one is electron from 60 and 62. This one is atom 6. Okay, if 62 is smaller than 60, that means 60 is proton. And of course the guys is gonna... Yep, it is. So sometimes the neutron could be a variable in, for instance, in hydrogen. It can have 0 neutron, it can have 1, it can have 2. It's just... It is making sense. Also, where is the second conscription? That's why I kind of immediately get the 61 as a neutron, and then only need this to confirm. Now, about that, when some type of reaction happen, electron will change later on. If it's positively charged, the proton will be more than electron. If it's negatively charged, it's the reverse. Clement. Small. I'm just gonna answer the... Wait, what? Electron is smaller than proton. What is this? What the answer that you wanted from me? Oh my god, this is 261 all over again. 241 all over again. Ants is the one that we need the answer. It used to be Y, but because of the... Which one is it again? The special dimension? I have to change the term. Okay, what do you want from me? I hope this is not 241 all over again. My god, this thing is annoying AF. 241? No. This one. My god, this is so weird. Okay, let's go back here. Then proton, something not electron. That's it. Okay. Okay, the reason there is two terms here. There used to be just a bigger or smaller here, and then the same terms exist again, and then it's just confusing because basically the same but different. This one is for area of a shape. This one is more the generic one, but it has a different function. Hence why I have to just make this a quick word, basically. Turning on new leaf. Metallicity. Wait. It will. Okay, metallicity. If metallicity is higher, does that means the nebula is older or something because of the fusion? Maybe that's what they want to tell here. Oh, okay. If it in hydrogen or helium, it's a metal to us. Yeah. I mean, it makes sense for an astronomer to just say it like that. You tell it to us chemists, you're gonna get grilled, bro. Because carbon is not metal, oxygen is not really metal, a bunch of things is really not metal. Okay, calm down. Okay, let's go back here. Proton area equals neutron area. Okay, so how much proton in an atom is in here defined as the same as the neutron, even though it's not really true. And proton is not neutron. It is true that this one is true. This one is not really, but yeah, mostly yes. Proton is bigger than electron. Then neutron is also bigger than that electron. If I'm not sure, I have a reference, but since this is the chemistry part, I will try to not look at the reference. Just wanna see how far is my knowledge can go for this one. Egg is oxygen. Pi. So the only thing that they didn't provide is the max one, but that's okay. Here we go. Okay. Okay. Somehow this doesn't get different things. Okay. So we have here proton as an object too, which is this one. This is proton. They provide us this. Neutron is object 1, this one. And then object 0 is definitely electron. We all know that. And then they define electron as this purple looking sphere ball. And then we have this white one as neutron. And then the yellow one as the electron. So they define the size of okay, so they define the size of electron as half of the neutron and not proton here, just to make things simpler. Okay, electron, neutron, proton, in that order, from right to left. Here we go, the fusion starts. Okay, what did they want? Do they want me to answer this? Oh, this is helium. The key to basically guess which element is this by looking at the proton first, like how much proton it is. Neutron you can kind of ignore it most of the part. So we have these two balls that is basically tell us this is atom 2, helium. They call atom and not directly the name of the element. And now we have signal 63, in which equals atom in here for some reason. It's oxygen. Acorn is oxygen. Okay, question aside, I need to put some word for this one. What is the correct term though? Because I kind of forget, honestly. If I look at the basics again, isotope. Yeah, isotope. Isotope is not really accurate though, because isotope is just gonna refer to how much electron it has, or is it proton? Oh my god, I sometimes forget about that. Neutron. God damn it. It is neutron. I don't really like putting this as isotope though. But for now, I'm just gonna put it like that. Isotope 1 equals atom 1. Atom 1. The neutron count here is 0. Oh, it is. Oh, it is. It is actually isotope. But okay. So for this one, the one that you will count here is the amount of neutron it has. Because on a neutral state, the proton will have the same amount of electron too in a neutral state. And now we have which one to answer? This one. Okay. What to answer? Oh, okay. Which atom is this? Okay, that's the answer. Right? I just need to answer 13 because it is having 13 proton. Isotope 2356 equals atom 23. It doesn't really matter if the back has a lot of things for now. Yeah, that's actually kind of the things that happen. It usually the project leader that's gonna be signing, and the rest is just another note. Even though sometimes it's the one that put a lot of work is the rest, not the project leader. Understandable, Icos. Understandable, honestly. Now we have to answer the neutron count. The neutron count, you just need to what is it word again? Subtract this with this. So the answer is 14. You still need some math, but not that much like before. Okay, now we have a visual again. Okay, so we have a hydrogen atom here that has no proton, and the other one has one proton. Neutron. God damn it, my brain. Okay, isotope count equals variable 0, variable 1. Where is variable? Here. They wanted me to answer it like this. I don't think that's a correct way to write it. Yeah, I know. It's not the way. It's not that way I wrote it. The writing might be wrong. Okay, thanks for coming by, Rob. I know. Hence why I'm writing it like this. Okay, that's not how I named them that. Let's look at the transmission back there. So I need to type it like isotope 1-1. And then isotope 1, 2. Yeah, it is. Yeah, fair. No, don't write it. Okay, now atom ants. Variable 0 proton, variable 1 neutron, variable 2 electron. Oh, so the numbering is the one they ask. 50. It's still working though, so it doesn't really mean it's a bad thing. Isotope 1, 4. Maybe composition? So 1 neutron plus isotope 1, 3. And then isotope 1, 3 composition is defined here. 1 electron plus isotope 2, 3. What? Why? Why is it like this? The electron did not take away. Yeah, the electron did not take away this. Why? So if something has some electron added to an isotope, it take away the proton for some reason? I don't think that's how it works. Isotope 514. The game wanted things like that. Wait, what? But it doesn't make sense. I think I will need to have the neutron also taken away in this case. Maybe. But it is. But oh, it's not. It's not reduced now. It's reduced later. Which means I have to do that instead. Okay. Thank you. What? How big is this? Oh, that's it. This is just hydrogen. And then this one is neutron. Okay, this is isotope 1,4, right? Because it is 1 neutron plus isotope 1,3, so it is became isotope 1,4. This is kind of oversimplified somehow. Composition equals proton equation. Composition equals electron equation. That means, is this trying to tell us to also write neutron? I don't think it is, but the game accept it for now. Now composition variable 3 equals 0. Variable 0 I mean. And then divided by variable 1. So half of variable 3. Huh? What? Why is it like this? Oh, half exp var 3 times var 2 equals var 4. Okay, so this is okay, just to make it simpler, var 3 times var 2. Oh my god, this is ugly. I just need it to be at least legible. Equals var 4. Yeah, the whiteboard is for this. The only thing that I have a complaint is that it's kind of rigid to be written on. Variable 0 is 64. Variable 1 is 64. Variable 2 is 64. That means variable 3 is 1. And then we are getting asked question about var 4, right? So in this case, because var 0 divided by var 1 is 1, var 3 is 1, so this is half then basically to get a v4, and v2 is also 64. I think this is for the, what is it again? The half year, not years, ages. So the time it took to half the amount of the atom or something. What is it? The term? I just don't know the term in English. Half-life, half-life, half-life. I already tell that last stream. 30 minutes? That's a half-life. What? What the hell is Philharmonic? Wait, that's an orchestra? Wow. Yeah, the bigger the pond are, the less big you look like. Do you realize that Akers, that this is this is comparing you to what is the brother? Hmm. I don't know if Akers did not realize that or if it just flew over his head, but yeah, it is also kind of comparing it to him, actually. Okay, now we have the same formula as before, which is the half-life of an atom. If R3 is 0, which is this, which is basically this, will turn the half into 1. Then var4 is 1. Yep, correct. Wait, that means the var2 is also 1. If var3 equals 1, then var4 equals half. Okay. Yeah, it confirms the var2 is 1. Then, value-wise. If var3 equals 2, then var4 is quarter. If var3 equals 3, then yeah. If var3 equals 4, equals that. And now, if var3 equals egg, exp egg, then var4 equals var5. This var5 is still bigger than 0. The answer is true. It's just, it is so small. It's still positive. It will never go negative. And now we have the next one. Minus the signal 65. Can I just write half-life? Or is it something else? Okay, for now, we don't really need to do anything. Just enter with 0. That's just a term. X, Y, Z, half-life. Wait. Is this telling us the composition earlier about the... What is it again? For this one? Is this what they mean? Like X, Y, Z. And then this is the half-life of the atom? Is that it? Is that what they meant? Oh my god, it's getting longer. Okay, this is the same thing. var3 is var0 divided by var1. And then the half-life is 0.5 xp this, and then times var2. That's var4, aka. Now, For isotope 2.6, the far one is far 5. For the 1125, it is far 6. And then far 6 divided by far 5 is far 7. And now they are asking about the approximation of far 7 in 3 digit. How do I count this? Okay. Oh, I have to look at the reference because I honestly don't remember. It's half-life of the atom. Okay, so 2,6 is helium. You can look at the helium-6. Yeah. Helium-6 is having 4 neutron and the half-life of 0.8066441. This is that value, and then for 1125, which is sodium, natrium, if I were to call it. This one is 55.16. So 51.16. Wait, that's hydrogen line. Calculator. And 59.41. Is this the rounding that... And I just need 73.7 then. Wait, what? Am I miscalculating? Why? Why is it wrong? I mean, that's what we do, right? Isn't that the what I just did? Am I getting the wrong value here? Point 806641, right? It's not stable, you know. And then we have sodium, which has 59.160000. Wait, 41, right? Am I misremembering stuff? 5916. 16. Oh, it's 41. God damn it. Why is my memory so bad? 73.3. Wrong value, sorry. I was like, why is it wrong? Wait, 73.3. If you change that... Interesting. Now we have signal 69. Nice. And then the game immediately talk. Okay, 69 is a little bit question mark for now. If Half-Life count 1 is this 69, maybe? Well, for now, let's just send the 0. What? How big is this? Oh, that's it. Okay, this is helium-5. I'm just gonna call it by the isotope name, just to make it faster. This is helium-5 with a neutron floating free. Is this supposed to be something like that? No? Then what? Okay, what do you want then? Oh, no, I just remember. Composition. Yeah. The word that I actually put on it, I almost forget. Okay. Decay. Just the term here. This decay is probably the half-life, actually. I probably got this one reverse. But okay, let's see if this makes more sense now. Just to make sure. Okay, fab3 equals fab0 divided by fab1. And then this is the decay, the half-life formula. Okay, this one tells if isotope 2, the helium-6, having one half-life, if decay equals 0 half-life and fab2 is 4k, 4 kb, then isotope 2.6 count is 4096. If decay equals 1, okay, it is. If decay equals 2, then okay. Still quite simple, because they just asking the end result so far with the example, actual example. Okay, the formula is back, and then now they give us the actual value, which is 73.261. Don't know where does this come from for now. If decay, wait, is this supposed to be second? I mean, it makes more sense. No? Maybe? Yeah, it's the same. No. Okay. 146 with 73. Okay. This is on seconds, which means I just need to cycle right here. This is to cycle. That means I just need to divide that by half, which is 131,072. 131,072. What? Oh, no, 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 no way. Oh, thank you. Okay, that's my bad. That's my bad. It's quartered. It's not half. It's quartered. So that means 131,072 half. 65,536, which is the limit for how many bits again? It's a limit for 8 bit. Is that correct? Maybe Bautista gonna tell us after this. It's a limit for something that I kind of forget. Certain bit. I think 8 bit or something. Or is it atom? Atom. Molecule? What do you want? Element. Yeah, I'm gonna keep brute forcing. Okay, what did they say earlier again? It's a little bit doesn't make sense, I know, the wording, but I think this is the last one, so I have to get it right, otherwise I'm gonna have a trouble. But then what? Equation? Oh my god. Then what? Neutron. Okay, I'm just gonna keep plunging this. Maybe I'm in the wrong path. Yeah, I'm in the wrong path then. Object. Fishbowl. No way. No. I thought we were back to that. No. What? Isn't that? So the basis of Half-Life. Okay, what we define as composition again earlier? That something composition decay equal S. It's not isotope for some reason. Now. Decay equals isotope composition var. I think decay is half-life still. But still, what? What do you want me to answer this? Wait, it's not a one word then, I think. Oh no. My my brain is a little bit slow today. Like I feel like I missed something. Composition half-life. I feel like I already saw that. Half-life is isotope composition 50. Kinda confused. I'm kind of confused most of the time with the you know, the concept of wording in this game, honestly. Okay, let's take a look at the reference again, because I think the game already told us. Is this what they meant? Oh my god, it's never ending. So they define a 1 second as the same as the hydrogen line. That's what they're asking? Huh. Message half-life equals message frequency count S. Yeah, it's this time. So message frequency equals. No, this is they try to communicate us. This is seconds as in their time. So message frequency count times this S that we defined earlier, which is the decay time for the isotope of helium-6. That's their 1 second. So they define if it's message with 00, it will just time equals 1. 1 to the 256 time is also 1 for some reason, seconds. Oh, no. Message 0, which is the content is 0. It is 1 time. And then the second message is 256, which is also 1 times. I assume it as seconds, because it's gonna be confusing if it's just times, as in flat wording here. Wait, message 4. Message 4 is 3 line. Remember that they count from 0 as 1. So that means this is the 6th message actually. 4. So rather than it's not seconds. I will change that later. I'm just gonna shorten it though, so that I don't need to type too much. Okay, now we have the 66, which is unknown. Equals distance divided by time. Distance is meter. Oh, this is speed, I think. Damn it. time equals d divided by speed. D divided by speed equals time. Yeah, it is correct. Now d is speed multiplied by time. That's a simple physics. Is this gonna teach us the speed of light, I guess? Is that it? So if times is 0 second, yeah, I define this as second for now, which is probably not really accurate. So that if a point move from 00 to 80, then it took 4 seconds. The move time. The speed is, because it moves 8, the answer is 2. Because it moves 8 laterally, and then it took 4 seconds. Yo, Doppler. Meanwhile, isn't human using something else for that? Cesium. Is cesium some kind of cesium half-life isotope half-life? Ooh, 67 words. Cheeseburger. I wish it's the time unit. Damn it. Okay, back to the speed. So they define the speed as 4ds on this one without the or something. And then time is 0s. Okay. At time 0s, point 0 is on 0, 0. That's how I translate this, by the way. And then when point 0, 0 move into 64, 0, the time also move into 16s. So that means it took 16 seconds from this particle to move from 0 to 64 horizontally. So the speed is, so that's why the speed is 4. At speed is 4, it's something like that. Then if it moves to 32 instead of 0, I think, or from 32 to 64, it's the same thing. It's the same distance for this time. But if the time is is only 1, then point 0 speed equals 32 ds. Huh? Oh, I have to answer with this, you silly little. I thought it was about the counting again. No, it's not that. The speed is still 4. So it's just asking where is the coordinate of the thing. If time is 1, time advance from that is 1. Wait, is it 4? Is it 8? 4. It is like... Huh? What is the answer wanted this time? It has been rough for a couple of these questionable things. It's still wrong, it's still gonna be wrong. My god. Okay, I don't want to overcomplicate stuff again, like last stream. Okay, if time equals 8 seconds. Oh, it's from 0, you... God damn it. It's from 0. Yeah. That's just my silliness, I guess. Sometimes I overthink things and misunderstand the question. Go sleep, bro. Guys, we have to determine the speed for this time. So from 0, 0 to 0, 24, this is moving vertically at 3 seconds. So the answer is 8. Okay, now they wanted us to determine where this spot is. If time equals 66 seconds, then point 0. Huh? So from the starting point, it took 14 seconds to reach this point, right? The 5051. If time is 66 seconds, which is almost 5 times the original, almost, not really. It's a little over 4.5. Huh? Oh my god, this is... It took 14 seconds to move from this to this, like, that's my understatement from this question. Oh my god, the question is the one that might kill me. Now I need to answer how much move time, huh? I'm just gonna put a deficit of 66 and 14, which is 52. Just to see what did they actually wanted. Oh, it is that. Oh dear, the confetti again. Oh my god. Wow, that was a thing though. With Mel, it's just having some, fun time with things that deem useless by the woman. I kind of understand what Bautista did. Anyway, we have to answer the speed. Okay, if 0.0 is still 1.2, and then it took 480 seconds to move to far 0 and far 1. But if the time turns into 498, it turns into 10 too. That means I have to divide 9 with 498. Is that it? Because it only moves by 9. But it took 498. 0.018. And they didn't tell us. What? Am I misunderstanding the word again? Is it double A? You have to add this to this. Is that also the thing? I mean, it is getting smaller. I know. But that's what happened in the last transmission. Oh. No, not this one. This one. If time is 498, the point 0 become 10 too. Or is it just 12? And I just overcomplicate this. Okay. No. Oh my god. No, I think this is the starting point, right? I thought that was it. Like 9 to 12. I think I misunderstand the question again. Somehow, somewhere. But then again, if at some point it is 1, 2, and then it moves somewhere to this, in which I don't even know how to count that. And then to 498, which is just 12. Like, this is just a 12-second difference. But the one that can be quantified is just this, the x value from 1 to 10. Hence why I do the 9 divided by 12. Or I tried the 9 divided by 498, but it's not correct one for some reason. Hmm. Ah. Is it speed? Is it time? Yes. I'm just putting a random number. Oh my god, it is weird. Like, seriously, it is weird. Is this telling us that the starting point of this is 480? Or is it telling us that it took 480 to reach this point from this? Because that is kind of important. Hence why I keep looking back at the stuff behind, because that is the one that gives me some kind of, guidance. Speed equal ends from point 0 to another point 0 move, right? Like this. But it only gives time here. If time is 498, then point 0 is in 10 too. That's why I'm very confused. Like, the difference in time is just 12, right? But is this even important then? Okay, let's look back at this. Point 0 is 0, time 14 seconds. This one is time 80. And then 1, 2, right? And then the point 0 move thingy is happening. And then came here. If time equals 66. And then this turn is 498, which is 12, like. This one just pointing at a random time, and then it asks for a move time. But we are asked about the space time. The speed, sorry, speed. Which means it should have been 9 per 12, like, which is 0.75. Then why is it wrong? I don't understand why is this wrong. Why is that wrong? Can someone tell me? Did I measure the thingy somehow wrong? What? Why? Oh my god, I just recount again. It's 18, not 12. Why is it 12? At this point, it is 12. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. That is my stupid moment. Oh my god, my brain is already farting again. No, it's barely even 1.5 hours. It's not even that far. Ah. Okay, back to the. God damn it, man. Okay, when time is 0, the starting point is 0, 0, and then it moves to 6, 0, and then 0, 3, and then back to 6, 0, and then to 0, negative 3, which is correct. It is 18, right? 6, 3, 6, 3. The D is 18, it's correct. The time is 2.25. I'm just gonna multiply this by 4 to make this easier, which is 9. This is 72. 72 divided by 9 is 8. I'm not gonna wrong again. Please, I am not gonna wrong again. Oh, why is that red line there, by the way? Is that a confetti, maybe? Okay, the 6-7 signal equals speed in this state. If the speed 0, is this supposed to be read as speed 0, or is it speed bigger than 0? I think speed 0 is bigger than this signal equals false, which means if the speed is negative, yeah, this may be negative. I don't know. Oh, no, 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 no. Maybe this is velocity. I don't think it's velocity, but for now, I'm just gonna keep it. Frequency move speed equals velocity. No. It's so not creative. Let's just say V. Even though the correct acceleration is A, honestly. Okay, I'm gonna listen to the ideas just because we need some talk about this. Frequency move speed is not velocity. I think it is amplitude. No. Amplitude? Is it it? The speed that cannot be. Alan said that this is the speed that cannot be exceeded, like what Alan said. I'm still gonna answer this as 0 because ants is 0. Just agree or not. That's what they ask. 72? What? It's already 72. 72 equals D. D equals speed multiplied by times, correct? If 72 is light speed multiplied by 1 second, Like speed count 1 then. Is that it? Is that what they wanted? Then this. Oh, the right 72 was like that. Ah. Wait, come back to the other. Frequency. What the hell is this? Why am I having frequency move speed? This. So the definition of the 72 is like speed multiplied by 1 second of time second, obviously. If this is correct, if the light speed is correct, obviously. I mean, light speed here is frequency move speed. That's why I answered it with frequency earlier. Signal 72 should be something else then. It's not like distance in this case, like if this is truly like speed, but then you already established that light speed is faster than anything else here. Oh, okay. So that is their constant. D is the like distance. Then, if that's the case. $73 now. One signal 73 equals one of this distance divided by what? 1, 3, 4, something something. But then 2 like equals answer. Wait a second. Where is that number came from? Where is that number come from? 13421778. And then let's look at the reference table of the speed of light. 299. I mean, the answer to this is 2, but I still don't know what. Huh? Oh, wait. Yeah, it's wrong. My bad. So that means 2 like distance equals 2 divided by that. Like 1.49 times 10 exp 1 2 3 4 sorry 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. What is that constant? In my head it is calling Avogadro, but I don't think it is about that. Okay, no, not this. Chemical bonding, no. No, yeah, it is wrong. Because Avogadro is 10 times 23. Something in Dalton. Okay. Then how do I gonna value that? What in the world is having that value of the 1.49 or something? Because I'm telling you, it's not. There is no way it's E. I mean, I forget that I don't have Euler. Oh my god. Go back to distance now. And this is the answer. No. What? It's even weirder now. No, I have to multiply it, you silly little. It's reverse. Bro, my brain is just turned off today for some reason. Yep, my brain is a little bit turned off today. The 73 is gonna confuse me a lot. Okay, signal 0x distance equals, I think 1. The y is 10.6. The z is 2.1. What? Where did I even get the value, bro? Why is the y equals 10 and z equals 2? It's a wrong one, I know. Meteor. Oh, it's this one. But then, let's make it more sense. If what we define as x is the horizontal, aka the length, or is there anything else? No. Okay, I have to get the value then to convert this into this. So 19 and 10.6, right? What is the constant? 1.792 xxx. Is it accurate though? I'm gonna copy that value real quick and then compare it later. Back to the meteor. 3.8 divided by 2.1. Okay, it's 1.8 then. So the length is 22.8. Divided by 1.8. It became 12.7. Yeah. Is that their actual length, like meter in this case? Now it's 74. We have a molecule 0, which is water, molecule 1, which is oxygen, molecule 2 is 92. Oh my god, I forget which one is 92. It's not uranium, right? Oh, hello there, no man's why. Here is my dictionary for the like. I don't know if it's light. So originally like speed is 67, and then the like this is the like distance, I believe, which is defined in the question 280 something, I think, where they multiply the light speed with 1/1 This is a little bit chaotic for this part. I think the problem starts from this part, this tree. Okay, before going to 74, I forget that I was about to check the 92 because I forget about this part. 92 is actually uranium. I cannot believe I guessed that earlier. Okay, molecule 0 is bigger than molecule 1. Is it? Yeah, because this is just... Wait. Why 0 is bigger than 1? Because there is 3 atoms? Is that it? And then I haven't defined this. Alright. Feel free. Okay, what in the world is this? I don't understand what the 74 wanted. Molecule 1, this signal is better, bigger, sorry, not better, bigger. Bigger than molecule 0. I already defined size, so it doesn't make sense. And then molecule 1 compared to molecule 2. Okay, I yet to get the answer for that, so for now, if 1 is bigger than 0 in this point, 2 is actually bigger than 1. But I haven't got anything. Is that it? Okay, this will kind of confirm what in the world is that actually. I think this signal is mass. Looks like. I think, I hope, because if not, I might be in trouble. So in this case, I have to compare it like directly. Proton mass is about 1 Dalton. This is about like approximate. Now, in this reference, a mass of proton is 18,036 times bigger of the electron mass, which is, that's why I think this is correct. Like, that means I confirm that with that. So 2 proton mass divided by 1 electron mass with 4 approximation. Oh my god, what the hell is this? So you want me to divide 2 Dalton divided by this 0.00548 something something. I'm just gonna use the 1836 again. So it became 3672, I think. I think it is mass. Yeah. Good. We are getting close to 300. So bigger or smaller? The answer is gonna be this. Like, the format will be the 501 to 23. Okay. One atomic mass. Five zero of one atom one mass, which is obviously bigger if you are not realizing enough. Like a true hacker, just don't like if it's not brute forceable. Okay, this one is bigger, and then what else next? One atom 2 is smaller than one atom 6 mass wise. Okay, judging by the amount of electron they have, I just do that basically. Even though it's not really linear, that's kind of giving you some pretty good approximate. One molecule 0, which is water, 2 atom 1 and 1 atom 8. One water mass is bigger than nitrogen. I think this is wrong, so smaller again, I think. And then now we talk about the isotope mass. Oh my god, this is already way bigger. 19 is kalium, right? Potassium, if you are confused. Smaller again. Yeah. Oh, 68. Oh my god, okay. Now we have signal 68. Second is time for the 68. I don't know what is 68 by the way right now. And like distance equals d times 68. Wait, does that mean this is the like actually? Meter equals d times this. What? That wasn't really accurate. I will need some help for that one later on. So like the second equals 68. Meter second equals what? Okay, I'm just gonna give a random answer for that. What? Oh, sorry. Speed. Why am I talking? What? No. What? Wait, speed is the second, right? The relation and things. Then what is this? Wait, like the s equals speed of this. Oh, because meter equals d of this, and then like d equals d this, that means this should be also the same. Yeah, it's still the same. But I will need some better words than this because this is a bit confusing and I am kind of unsure about it. 75 equals mass and then this? Wait, is this referring to Newton? Newton is... what's it is again? Force. I think the word is wrong, but the wrong word that I mentioned is about how it is supposed to be. But for now, it's still kind of fine. Variable 0 is a exponent 29. And then force is this times isotope 26. 26 is iron. I think this is iron 56, right? Which is about 55 gram or something. Sorry, 55 Dalton or something. Okay, is that how they actually define things? Okay, I'm gonna confirm this with counting that actually. A29. Oh my god. Wait, 1.54. Sorry. 1.547. Avogadro is 6 point something. It's not Avogadro then. But where does that constant came from? They try to talk about something here. Is this gravity? Maybe. I'm still a bit confused, honestly. Okay. Molecule 0 is 2 isotope 1, which is hydrogen, and then 1 isotope A16, which is oxygen, the standard one. So this is water. Molecule 0 is water. Molecule 0 mass divided by the iron 56 mass equals 0.322 something. Then molecule 0 mass multiplied by the variable 0, which is the XP29, equals this. Is this even force? Or is it gram? I'm not really sure. Okay, I'm gonna take a look at the number actually. Oh, there is no number for water, bro. Just forget it for now. Okay, variable 1 equals to variable 0. Variable 1 molecule mass sorry, how do I say that again earlier? I think I said it wrong. Variable 1 multiplied by molecule 0 mass so I just need to multiply this by 2, right? So 644. Why is it 6? I meant type 0, bro. What? Where did I did wrong? As usual, I sometimes just miss something. Variable 1 is 2 variable 0. And molecule 0. Oh, I need the constant. Yeah, I just need the constant. That's the problem. Oh my god, it's even worse now. Now I need to deal with the 8 EXP27 times 1.48 something. Probably the reason I'm kinda confused because the constant used this value instead. And then the 76 equals mass what? Again. Oh my god, this is gonna be confusing. Now they ask if 70 this new signal what? Why is bigger or smaller than force? That's the question, right? But because it is multiplied by 1.48, it is bigger. Wait, did I accidentally type 2 of them? Damn it. Ay. Okay, I really need some input for the dictionary because my god, it is terrible now. Look at this. This is a lot of gibberish. Time what? Time what? What is the 68? Mass what equals force? Time what? Okay, mass what equals y or force? And the d, is it gonna refer to the seconds? Yeah, it is. Okay, I need some input for that. Oh my god. It is getting stupider for me. Especially my focus today is just off. My favorite power fluid. Okay, what is probably just constant? Or maybe what? What is the name of the variable at the back? Okay, force probably is mass then. Sorry, is gram then. Second for time, like D probably meter. Okay, there is meter and there is Y too. Okay. Oh, so they already talk about the bigger one is this one and the other one is this one, that one. Like I still put it at like D or something, and then the other one is just D. The D is probably the millimeter, and then the like D is the meter, something like that probably. I mean, I cannot really speak in the game because you don't give me any dialogue. Just like in the Stick of Truth. I only have one single line in that game. Probably give this back to your kid, bro. Also, Akers still didn't get anything, which is kind of maybe right, maybe not. Also, why? Oh, wow! The the name mentioned Carl Sagan, uh, Hawking. I'm not sure with Hawking or Drake or Frank Knows. I think. Oh yeah, definitely. Oh, it is that. No, 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 no. I think double picks the right one then. If there is another Bautista in this team, the team will be dead, man. I can certainly say that. But why am I looking at that? It should not be a thing. Position calculation, distance unit, mass unit. Wait, is the 0.94 is about... Wait, that's not... I don't know, man. Help. Oh, thank you. I really need that. Because, my god, it became a lot gibberish than you might think. Dictionary. Let's go with alien second is the correct one, but I am just gonna write it as S. Speed, wait, speed. Speed of light, like speed. Like the meter. Okay, this one is meter then. But then what is D? Alien nanometer. I'm just gonna write it as millimeter. This one is mass. We already agree with that. Unit. What is unit then? Just to make things simpler. This one is gram. I know that it's supposed to be G, but kind of right. Nanogram, mg then. That's basically it, I guess, for now. And now, signal 0 area, but also make it approximate 3 digit. And then meter 3? Huh. I think that's not meter, it's millimeter, right? Yeah, it is. Wait, back to this a little bit. Where's my D? Did that already gone? I think it's already gone. Oh wait, this is still here. Length, magnitude, distance. Did I write? Oh, this is time. My god. Is this the major one? Yeah, this isn't. Yeah, that's it. I was like, I'm so confused. Okay, area 3, signal 0 area. Is it gonna go back to the meteor? I think it is. And then... Oh my god, I need a space on this. Okay, I corrected, rather than corrected, I was adjusted the constant. But, my god, this. The game is kinda hate with me because, well, I'm kind of a little bit nerdy with chemistry. Actually, a little bit. Well, mainly because I do learn it in vocational school. And since it is not really just a pure math, I enjoy it more, honestly. Also, volume 4053 meter cubic. Oh, this is supposed to be that of this. Is that it? Is it this or this? Okay, I'm just gonna try. But I think it is of this, like 3.1 then. Is it 3.1? No. MS3 and MS is merged here. Man, the game is nice. I give it 10, but you do need some brain power for this. I will be real, and I know that some of my viewer doesn't really like that, but I honestly just wanna play whatever I want at nowadays. Okay, is this referring to the density or is it to the volume? MS3. This is supposed to be like kilogram. Oh wait, second. Why is it second though? Okay. Let's hear what the team's gonna say. And and today I kind of a little bit off, but I still gonna play it. 4053 cubic meter. Okay. Okay, I think I did. Okay, let's have what is the hint is okay. Since, well, I sometimes just miss the very obvious hint. I sometimes very much that, or even just miscount, so it's okay. But I will try to do my best without it. Okay, there are 100 centimeters in a meter. 1 million? Huh. Yeah. Yeah, it's 1 million. It's 1 million. It's 1 million milli. I'm just gonna call it milli. Milliliters. Okay. That means the MS is actually wrong. It's not MS. This one is correct. Millimeter. And then the top one. Then what? Then the world is the top one. Did I miss? Bautista said this is alien meter, and then this one as the alien nanometer, which means the top one should be keep being D as a distance. Why do I change it? It's confusing myself. Each MS is roughly 1.8 human meter. Okay. So let's divide that. Oh, okay. That's nice. Wait, really? I swear I already corrected. But it's distance. But M is supposed to be meter, no? Or is the game trying to trick me? Because second is here, right? Isn't it alien second? Huh? Minor second? What? Okay, let's deal with that ordeal later on. Now I need to convert the alien unit first. 1 meter. Sorry, this one, right? the 1.80236. And then 3. Actually gonna do it this style. And then what is the meteorite size again? Is it 4096 or something? 4053, okay. 4053. 4053. 4053 divided by that number. So it's became 692. Okay. 692. Okay, if the unit is not really correct, then I am gonna be stumped. Okay, signal 0 mass. Signal 0 mass with 5 approximation became 871 424G. What? Is this a knowledge? I mean, I can look at the signal 0 again. So basically, itself, like, the mass is 871,424G. Is it from conversion that became that? I think it is, but it's not 5, it's 6 digit. Well, I'll take the information for now. Let's just continue for now. Here we go. Okay, finally transmission 300. After 13 hours. Yeah, about 13 hours of stream, I reached. Speaking of 12 hours, I a little bit over that because of the talking and some shenanigans. It only makes sense we will progress this far. Nos. Oh my god, it's so sad. Now here we go. It is. It is. But the movement speed is between this and this? Well, chemistry knowledge, albeit limited, is kinda helps me. And I only do this game on stream, so there is a log on how good or bad I am in certain stuff. And that means 13 hours of playtime to reach 300 with all the talks and my mind wandering somewhere is... How do you will rate that? Seriously, we all already talk about these acres. Oh, yeah. Really, Bautista? Really? I think this is the first curse that happened in the team. Yep. I think Akers definitely cursing on Bautista that time. Okay, this one is just info dump. Okay. If the early info of 977 transmission is correct, then I'm a third of the game? Maybe? If that is correct? I don't know. Honestly, I don't know how far am I in the game. But reaching 300 so far, I feel fast. It feels fast enough to me. I don't know about the reality though, if it's slow or fast. 70, 71, 70 is time unit. What? So what is all the thing that I already set then? If this thing is this time unit, what do you mean? And then 71 is also time unit? Oh, okay. This maybe gonna refer to hour. Or day. Okay, I'm just gonna put day here, even though it's not exactly correct. And then this one is smaller, like a third of it. Yeah, a third of it. If 1 second is below 1 of something. Okay, I have to name this 71 then, because hour. Even though this is not hour, I kind of notice there is no way a day is just 3 hours. I'm just gonna put that information for now, just to help. So what I mean by help is to answer, so that I don't need to write the signal 73 as plain. Sender. So, yeah, small unit, big unit, but hour, minutes, like, but it doesn't make sense to put hour as minutes and then this one as a hour. That's why from hour it became day. Even though it's not really accurate, I know. It's just for now it will stay like that. That has been happening since the beginning of the game. Like, I changed a lot of the dictionary, because later on it is actually what I need the next one to be, but it already used earlier. So yeah, it happened with X and Y, because I put variable as X. Oh yeah, definitely. I already experienced that. I mean, we haven't really touched the linguistic, like that will very fast touch that. Sender makes signal zeros. Sender start signal 0. Receiver, oh sorry. Sender start signal 0, move receiver end. Okay, signal move receiver end. Time it takes is 7. This is why the time constant in this game is absurd, because yeah, it messes with your brain, your reality knowledge, even though this is just need to be answered as 0. That's just an info dump again, isn't it? And probably that's more like referring to the signal itself, like, rather than the day, week, hour, minutes, or something like that. Hence why it's probably better if the second is a nanosecond. And oh wait, I wrote millisecond right somewhere. I should probably put it as a nano maybe. But for now, itu dulu. Sender start signal move receiver end. D equals D0, and then D equals speed time multiplied by time. Okay, signal speed is higher than 2353 meter. This is my problem. Okay. You win, game. You win. It will not confuse with minus. It's already changing again, right? And the signal speed is lower than 2941 meter per hour. And signal time equals this hour, then d0 is bigger than variable 0 and d0 is smaller than variable 1. The answer, oh okay, I have to AMAD, wait, oh no, it flew over me. What is AD? I mean, AM is the morning, right? But AD, I don't know what is AD actually because I didn't use it locally. D0 is bigger than, huh? Alien. Then D0. Oh, alien minute, alien day. Okay. I was like, wait, oh. I mean, I would relate a lot of things to just you know, actual people knowledge rather than this game in the scope. Okay, go back to here. D0. Is this supposed to be an actual value? Because if it is, then I am kind of how do I mean, there is the equation here, like d equals speed multiplied by time, like time speed. So 2353 and then multiplied by 2353. Is this supposed to be that? Is this supposed to be like this? I mean, the answer is gonna be long. Okay. Sometimes stuff like this happen. D, right? That means this is meter. And then the other one is 2941. I think this is what they wanted. It is correct. The colored confetti. Oh, now they just give us this again, which is just an info dump, just to confirm. All of this is just an info dump though, so far, in this session. The week. Double check the math. Huh? Human year? 1989 715. Each hours converted into human years is 179 for 2. Oh, what? That's what? What? Okay, now we have next one. Signal 77. Statement 0 equals statement 1 or statement 2. Statement 0 equals true. Then statement 1 equals true. And then this statement 2 equals true. Is this back to the logic again? I mean, there is one thing that we haven't got again for the logic, which is XOR. But is it really though? Then statement 1 equals true. Things. Statement 2 equals true. Things. Statement 1 true. Statement 2 true. Variable 1 times variable 1. Variable 0 multiplied by variable 1 equals 9. reading, and variable 0 is positive, and variable 1 is also positive. If variable 0 is 1 and variable 1 is 9, or it reverse, I mean multiply, right? The other answer that I can use is kind of obvious, but uh-oh, that's not the correct way to write it. And I'm not sure if that's a problem though if I do that. I mean, the answer is 1 or 9, 9 or 1, or 3 by 3, like the easy one. Also, what is this signal? I think this is XOR. Maybe. Maybe wrong. No. What? Okay, go back to the example again. It is not XOR, I just realized. No. Okay, go back down, go back down. Okay, 0 is, variable 0 is 1 or 9. This is an option, right? Eden. God damn it, you cannot just shout on the answer. So then... There we go. Got the hit on this goddamn. Is this combination? Huh? What do you mean by -2? Oh, you can. Yeah, I just realized. Because variable 0 with variable 0. And variable 0 is either 2 or -2. Okay. I think this is variant then. You can count it as variant, right? How do I write this? Two what? -2. 4 would -4. Is it really 180 180 though? Not sure. Okay, variable 0 plus 1 equals 5, and if both of them is positive, what count is 3? Wait, 3. Am I gonna count from 1, 2, 3, and 4? Like, that means there's 4. Yeah, variant. This is variant 10. I already use variable. Point 0 into this var 0 move equals to 0.1. Okay. So what? So 0.0 is this, 0.1 is this, 0.0 that is move into this spot. The length is 6. Then 0.1 is 0.6. That's what they wanted to do? Oh my god, great. Great. I mean, there is only this variable that move. So it's... And the line is 6, right? The distance is 6. That's why my answer is 6. 0.1 equals... Oh! That maybe? The missing point? No? Well... Okay, I am lost in sauce again. Ah, dear. Oh dear. The 420 guy is already not here, so what the hell is this? Am I measure the line wrong? No. Oh my god, the answering on this one is gonna be stupid. I can smell it. Point 1 equals... Okay, what is oh, oh, yeah, I am kind of ignoring that. Okay. Ah. Oh. I'm still using the old one. Crap. Unbelievable, bro. Okay, 0 space answer equals true. Variant false. So I just need to replay it true. Variant false then. No? What? Yeah, I know it. They are establishing the binary system. But then why is that true? Huh? Okay. If 0 equals true, from this point on, I don't know, man. Or is it really for us, or is it just for anyone? Unlocked. Yeah. Hello Rob, yeah, back. It's only the variant. Okay, fair, I guess. I think I can stream for at least one more quote unquote week. Okay, the variant could be out. I'm just gonna write it as out. There's the certain things. No, I'm not answering with the or option. My god, that is shit. Honestly. Okay, 79 and 80 now. So we are already reaching another point in which the last one is alternative. This one I don't even know. And the meteor is just sending us their measurement basically. To basically we can standardize that. 79 and 80. 79 is 0 1 2 3 etc, and then far but how do I read this? Is this supposed to be unlimited number of variant and then far variant and then variant point, variant line, or is it variant far? But that doesn't make sense. I think it is far variant. It is point, line, D, shape, set, frequency, and then the message, signal, sender, receiver, atom, and then there is another variant word which makes me confused again. And then there is what is this? The 80 equals plus variant, which is not an actual thing that can you do. Huh? And then why? And then I just need to answer with this. What? What do you mean? That's not the answer. Isn't this what they usually send? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Crapaton, bro. What is this then? This ain't a number or something at a constant. By the way. Divide, huh? I mean, I can as usual answer by 0, but of course it's not what they wanted. What in the world is this? Okay, this is a lot more gibberish than I hope. Or is it asking for a group? Like this Y group equals... Oh, probably that. Oh, it is. Okay. So they start to group the math operators with themselves and then the rest with the other. The Y group is the math operator group. Yeah, they start to group things.
Okay.
Feel like Fridge. H out Y. Move equals fab 0. Oh, okay. Molecule equals fab 1. I just need to answer it to it. What is H? What is Y? Sorry, not that one. Okay, let's look at this again. H is related to the Y equals plus star, multiply, subtract. So anything with number, I think. Related to number. So Y probably is math. And then H is probably noun or something. I'm just gonna make this so that okay, what classes? Noun, verb, adjective, adverb, repose. I would not categorize this as that though. Move is noun. Molecule is noun. Unit is still noun, maybe? Is it noun, or is it noun, man? Because to me, that looks like that. Oh my god. Great. I have to look at the groupings. Look, if the time is a group of noun, and then will you put one of these as not math? Like move. I still weirdly. Oh, it is. Okay. That means. Oh dear. It's still roasted. Yeah. Not math. I already changed to verb. Verb. Okay, I still kind of not completely believe in this verb and noun thingy. Maybe because I kind of suck at categorizing this. This might gonna take me a long time though. Noun equals this new signal, and then 83 equals noun, but 84 equals noun. 83 is 84 is what? For now. Is not what? Okay, this wasn't giving me anything yet. Yeah. Three minus two. If 3 equals what and 2 equals and minus equals verb. Then we have 0.0 move. What is this, bro? Yeah, I think this is gonna be the last week of this thing. I genuinely starting to stump because of the linguistic. They presented us a sentence with 6, 1, and XP exponent. When 0 is what? Move is verb. Oh, okay. The verb is definitely 3xp. Is the start, right? Sorry, no. So 1, 6, and then exponent. Let's try that. If this is correct, then I think we can establish which one is subject, which one is object. Okay. Is object, I think. Or in this, if it's about linguistic, then it is a little bit different. Uh, is that correct? Okay, I need to look at the transmission before just to make it more sense. For now, it is correct. For now, I'm gonna reassess that later. I think. Okay. Verb 2 is object. Oh my god. If move is not an verb, then what? Great. What? Still a subject. Okay. Oh my god, it's even worse. Adjective, maybe? If it's not a noun and it's not a verb, then 85 should be an object, adjective then. Okay, adjective is not noun and not verb. Object, verb, adjective. Is that how they form a word? Sorry, a sentence. And then statement, subject, verb, adjective equals false. Because it should have been object, verb, adjective. Huh, it's kind of crazy. Too. That's how they are forming the language then. 86. Not noun, not verb. Oh my god. I think it's not subject object the early part. Okay, subject, verb, objective, if there is this. I call it prefix. For now. I think the language that I already established is kind of no. But for now, it would suffice. Partner. If 3 is prefix. Sorry, what? 3 prefix 2 then this is adjective. Why? This is tragic, bro. Is this the same stuff though? If 3 is prefix. Oh, no, 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 no. So I kind of only need to delete this. I think this one is adjective then, if this is the case. That means the 2 has to be... Remember that object verb... Oh wait, prefix, and then subject, verb, and then this one, right? Object, prefix, subject, verb, adjective. Why are we dealing with this? Is the verb in this case is the equals? We just define prefix and adjective though. Is this supposed to be 3 is the prefix, and the 2 and the exponent is adjective? Is that what they are trying to say? Then where is the object? If the object is... Okay, let's go back. Yes, 5 is the object. This is not the same, by the way. Yeah, I know it. If they wanted to... Is that something that you wanted? Ah. Is that what you wanted then? No. I mean, then again, this is supposed to be the adjective already, right? Or is it just what? Um, No, no, oh no, not like this. Uh, what? Where is? Huh? Where's my game? Uh-oh, did I broke the thing? Huh! I was like, where is the game? Anyway, I have a hard time again. Also, I haven't really controlled anything. Okay, sometimes I do get into the wall like this, and language probably not my strong forte. Gotta say that. Uh, okay. I probably need some help on this one because my god, it is absolutely not my forte. About talking is probably not my forte. Oh my god. That could also be a thing, right? Then what am I supposed to do with this? Is that what they wanted then? Man, I think the word is wrong. Like so bad. Like this might be. I need a better word. Oh my god, help. So now we have to translate this into this, like line 0, 1, 2 prefix. It doesn't make sense. Sub 0 makes adjective. Doesn't make sense, right? But I think the answer is just line 0, 1, 2. I think. What? No. Oh, okay. There's no bracket. There's no bracket. Atom prefix something. Composition adjective. Yeah, this is not adjective or prefix now. I need a better word, but I don't know what it should be. Reaction. Molecule. No. Great. Great. Okay, let's try. Let's try. Oh. Come on. Come on, Ekers. You're gonna punch both this away. Message signal 0 makes adjective. Prefix. Space, space. Statement. Answer. Equals to. So I have to. Okay, I think I know what to answer. Signal 0 makes message. I mean. Huh? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Wait. Is the comma also included? Oh my god. Aim. Still wrong. Oh, I have to include everything. Is that it? So let's see the early example again. Oh my god, this is driving me nuts, honestly. Huh? I think I put the wrong signal because my brain just says random things. Check prefix, subject, verb, adjective. And anything that doesn't fit to prefix and adjective, you just cut it off. So I would rather have prefix as be and then adjective as do. So the word is SVO, right? Like normally. Didn't we just answer this? Oh. Okay, by the way, I already changed prefix to be and then the it should have been okay. That's my limit. That's my limit. I will not go over this. Oh my god. Ow. I am done with this today. SOV, it's not SVO. Yeah, I will end this game. My brain is just already scattered. Subject, be object, verb, do. Oh, Turkish too. I know that Nihongo and Hankoku is also the same, basically, concept-wise. Yeah, that means also I'm done with the game today. My brain is already calling this to take a break from this because my god. No, don't go there. I'm done. Yeah. I will look at the things before I. Oh, it's the end of the act too. That's cool. Okay, let's take a look at the dictionary real quick and then just take their advice. That's it. And then I'm done with the stream today. Target. Add. I will pick Collins here. Do. Okay. Add. Do. Is that correct though? Object. Oh, I got it reverse. I just got it reverse. I just need some help for this one because I don't understand. Verb. Now. Okay. That means it's the end of the stream for today. Session. I think I'm gonna play something else tomorrow. Maybe. Or at least split the stream. So it's not just the stream of this. But anyway, for today, thank you so much for everyone who coming by. I hope you have some fun. In the meantime though, I'll see you in the